Yeah. So the bell just rang, and someone walked in, and she asked for help. So she said she wants she's tired of her school, and she wants to change the school for the children that her son and daughter are going in and stuff, and she wants to consider shifting them because they're not very creative enough, and her children, they love, music, and they love different things about creativity and stuff, and they love books and cartoons and stuff, and she wants to do away with those because she feels that they've fallen in bad company and it's a bad school and stuff, and the creativity is going. She just relocated from a place. Okay, so she was asking me what to do as a creative person and stuff. So I said, listen, I'm not in animation movies and stuff, though I can give you a lot of ideas on how to keep that creativity and that spunk part of the child going in stuff. And I'm not also into education and stuff, but from a creative point of view or from a design point of view, if there is no creativity in the school, you could include it in homes. No, so she's like, what do I do? I said, okay, so then, there are two three elements. Everybody knows this, it doesn't take rocket science. So you've got these comics, and you've got these storybooks, and you've got music, or you've got toys at home and stuff and all that. So now basics have already been covered and stuff. So children have got endless number of toys, endless number of comics and storybooks and stuff and all that. But still, she's not convinced with it because every second child has this at home. Now, she wants a particular character of the Disney World to grow on her children and stuff. So, watching cartoons is also not a very good idea for children and stuff. And then, besides, the husband works in a serious role and stuff, and he's not very fond of children watching too many comics and stuff, and then grandparents and all that. Okay, so that's what I said. Creativity ki kai bachon ki dhajiyan is the word. Matlab it goes for a toss for children and stuff. So now, what can people do? So from a design and creative perspective, there are two, three things. Okay, so one is if you do not have a space at school or where they go and stuff, you try and bring creativity or introduce creativity in the form of design or accessories at home. So let's say, I can say most of the people watching this video are going to have at least two, three ideas which I'm sharing. So congratulations. It means that some of you are really creative and stuff. Okay. So now our number one idea is that we all can all paint the walls creatively in some colors and stuff and all. Number two is we give them toys which already children have, right? Number three is that we think of some genius of innovative stuff. Let's say they have a swing, right? So rather than going for a regular swing, which is a swing which is a bamboo swing or a regular rope swing and stuff, probably you can have a character swing. So let's say you have a face of a cartoon character. So let's say Walt Disney. Okay, you can have Pluto, or you can have say Mickey Mouse. You have the face, or let's say what is it? Okay, so girls, I don't know what, pick up whatever. Okay, so you have a face, and the face part of it is just the jhula or the swing, and then you have this thing hanging in there, and the child lies in it, plays in it, has fun, it enjoys in it, and the character grows on that. Okay, the second thing is that the wall hangings or some stickers on the wall can be around this, some art accessories can be introduced and stuff. So you have a series, and it's up to you. You can change those, probably the dangler series happening, or you can have, you know interesting poster paintings happening and stuff, or you can have, probably, I wouldn't say puppets. Rajasthani puppets are not a good idea, but you can have some nice international puppets in the form of art and everything on display and stuff. And you keep changing the themes with the age or whatever stage you are in and stuff. Okay. Then the rugs can be done that way, right? And the best part is the bed. The bed is where they sleep the most. Okay. So let's say you have a bed, and for girls, this may be too generic, but I'm giving you an idea. You can use your own brain, have an angel. So the wings of the angel or the wings of a fairy. For boys, you can probably have, if they like, let's say, sports. So you can have maybe the back of the bed, where you place your head. Maybe you can have, instead of a base, you can have maybe a cutout of a football, a cutout of, let's say, any of the sport that they like and stuff, any character that they like and stuff, so little ideas and stuff. Rest I would leave it to your creativity and stuff, so that's why I said that we forget that as we're trying to learn and improve ourselves, or we are so ourselves engrossed in intellectual stuff, and trying to mug up and follow so much of news and views and so much of it on TV, the noise from the outside world, as they say, we forget that children around us, the women around us, the boys around us, they may be losing out on their softness or that creative part of it and stuff, and then then nobody else is to be held accountable for that and stuff. You can't tell them that they're not scoring well, or they're changing to be rough men or stiff men or rude boys or whatever you may call it and stuff. So these are a few ideas. Maybe the cushions can be like that, or maybe the bed covers that you have can be or some theme, or the furniture, so there's so many things, photo frames, lamps, there's so much to do. And one of my favorites is that, I mean, I love dogs, I love animals. So I'd given an idea to a lady that if you like to play with the idea of wildlife and stuff, you can probably have a wallpaper of giraffes, and you can have lions and tigers and elephants and stuff, and it's very popular internationally. And she did it, and she was very happy, and she was like, when I go into the room, I feel it's different and stuff, and the light is so nice, because what happens is that we try and use a lot of yellow light in our country. So a very good idea is to have a mix of yellow light and daylight, and wildlife is growing on children, and they are very, very they're in this educational mode of half the time, asking questions. They are thinking about safaris, they're thinking about different things related to wildlife and stuff like that, so the room is buzzing with questions and curiosity and stuff like that, so try and create that ambience around it, so I won't recommend art in children's room unless it's like, faces and stuff like that. But they have to be very pleasant faces, If you put in a scary face, it can get a little uh it can just go the opposite way, because children, they start talking differently and stuff about faces. Then they get into the movie zone of ghosts and fearful stuff and all that. Okay, so fostering creativity at home, from a realm of education and awareness, starts by parents being creative or families being creative and stuff, so think about it. आपने अगर 4-5 आइडियाज़ भी दे दिए तो आप खुद ही मतलब क्रिएटिव है. So jkapani@gmail.com, justinKapani.im@gmail.com, and justinKapanioffice@gmail.com. Feel free to write in. Feel free to share your thoughts. And always a good idea to professionally email and connect. And I'll be more than happy and delighted to respond only to serious and professional emails and stuff like that. So stay merry, stay joyful, stay happy, stay upbeat. Enjoy your coffees, enjoy your chai, enjoy your beverages, and enjoy the weather, whatever sun you have, and try and spend your time reading some good books and stuff, because books give you some real good ideas. I just went through one, and then I was like, whoa, just looking at TV and only at Mr. Trump and the leadership panels and all is not going to help me kind of grow my acumen when it comes to real ideas and being innovative or staying trendy and stuff. It can be a killer, because we don't realize we are just unnecessarily taking in so much of information, which can be so catastrophic also to health after a point of time. Too much of information and also work negative for you. So keep it light, keep it joyful, keep it positive, keep it happy, keep it jolly, and anything with that adds fun and happiness to your life is always a good idea. And if you want to create the creative side of children on the up swing and stuff, always a good idea to always include music in their life. Very good. A good tip, right? It works. So take care, have fun, bye bye, cheers, and I shall catch you on my next video very soon, hopefully. Bye bye.